The best software comes from people who obsess over details, people who care deeply about their craft. These builders are everywhere, but they rarely get the chance to be in the same room. This year, we're changing that, announcing Resend Forward, a conference for developers who care deeply about their craft. Join us in San Francisco on October 21st for our flagship conference. You can expect a full-fledged one-day event. We look forward to hearing from industry leaders in software development and AI. And of course, there will be good food, incredible experiences, and lots of cool swag. It'll be an event that you won't want to miss. Resend Forward is an event by builders for builders. Together, we'll explore the current landscape, equip each other with practical tools and workflows, and inspire each other to build high-quality software that users love. And above all, it's an excuse to gather and remember how capable our community is. We hope you leave more excited to build than ever before. We're looking forward to sharing more details with you in the coming months. To be notified when tickets go on sale, join the waitlist today.